Hello everybody, Kasama Filipina. Again, we're going to unbox. So I'm going to show you what I have here. So this is an outfit, and then I'm going to show you what I have. Okay, so this is top. Just going to put it in the floor. Next is my Christmas outfit. Oh my god. So beautiful. So this is very red. Sparkly. And I'm gonna wear this one in my Patreon. So cute. I'll come after this. Okay, and then it's dinner time, so we have to eat. Next is, this is so cute, dress. I still have my blue toner polish, so I need to retouch it tomorrow. Oh, another set of my Santa Babe outfit. As for the Christmas outfits, so I have here for the leg, super cute. Oh, and this is for the leg, and this is T-back. Next, another red. I will try with this outfit. Okay, this one, super cute. I love this one. Oh, I thought I have some flip-flops. I have a lot of red. So it's all red shopping. So this one, another sexy outfit. This one, another headband. What's this? So cute. And super cute. And then stocking. So I'm gonna try on this one for next video, and then I'm going to make a video for that, and also a drawing video wearing this outfit. So this one, stocking, fishnet stocking. So well, that's all for today, and I have two pair of flip-flops here. Well, one pair of flip-flops and another one is slides flats. I don't know how you call it. Slide sandal or flip flops. I don't know. I don't know. Just gonna show you first. Okay. My God, I have so much accessories here. I don't know how to use this one. Okay, this one. It's for the leg or for the neck. Super cute. Mm. Okay, next I have a flip flops here. It's very beautiful. I love the color. This new one. Blue and white. I can show you. And the other one. That's all for today's video, and I see you again next vlog.